you with some smoke and shit coming up. I don't be at the meets. You gonna have to hit me up and tell me where to meet at.
I got you, bro.
Okay.
We do community service.
I do community service. Yeah, back when I was on probation, man. What say?
We just do it to see kids
Yeah.
bars, baby.
Okay, community service. I pick something up, throw it in the trash.
It's better than you think, bro. I
Yeah.
take the wax.
That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. Who said DC Young Fly? What that Caprice do? Oh yeah, somebody talking about that dude sound like Smokey. And the other people on my YouTube channel talking about DC Young Fly. Damn. We at Yello Belly drag strip for my people that's watching on TikTok. For my people on TikTok, when you come over to my YouTube channel, let me know. That way I can go ahead and give you a shout out one time for the one time. Up, it look like I need to come to the front.
You just say get on the other side of the barrier.
Bet. I was finna come back. I'm ready to come back. I got scared now. I'm finna come back. I'm with you now. I'm with you. 434 dispatch. We got security. We gotta go tell lookout. I'm with the security, y'all. Let me see. Damn, his shit cut off. He done jumped out the clutch too early, y'all. And he had his partner filming. Damn. Might well press stop. Okay. Oh, I think, nah, this ain't the race, y'all. We got a big race coming up in a minute for that money. He done got it to hook real good. He done got it to hook up. They ready. They ready. Look out. You ready, man? Boom. He ready. I'm gonna go get me some tacos, corn, quesadilla. I'm hungry now, y'all.
Look out.
Look out. Okay, we got Pippin. Pippin, you ain't came from no TikTok. We got Pippin Line telling me he came from TikTok, y'all. Little boat on. Take forever to build up him some boost. God damn.
Bro, you should have got their faces, bro. The girl just sitting down on that rail. That turbo, my bad. I didn't see your face. That turbo pointed right at him. And he started to rev it up. In their face. And when he hit it, she stood straight up. Oh, like it was.
Damn.
That's one of the funniest things I've ever watched. And nobody in the world will ever see it, bro.
Damn. I done had one where somebody's car was smoking right here and he was just giving that bitch gas. Whoom! Whoom! It was two girls sitting right there. Say, I got that shit on camera.
People try to act tough like they're just gonna take it. Like,
I can take it, I can take it. He wasn't even staged up yet. I knew something was wrong. That boost control ain't right or something.
Never got in the boost.
Never got in the boost. Okay. this side gonna win. Yeah, I'm gonna show you the caprice later on, y'all.
Trent's first pass. He's got his helmet on, so I bet he's spraying.
Mustard man said it's lagging. It's just a sound lagging. I can fix it when I get home.
Think he's spraying?
Man. I was just gonna try it again tonight, but I see that iPhone still tripping. I'm gonna reset it.
Oh, he is spraying.
Okay. They going spray to spray, y'all. Everybody going with the Camaro in the left lane. Okay. He's getting that thing ready. I think he gonna get up out of there. I like that 60 foot. That was a good 60 foot right there. Hey, what the hell just happened, man? Right lane for the win. Right lane for the win. Right lane for the win. Jumped out of there, didn't he? Somebody said, damn, that makes my car look slow.
You got 25. Or do I need to get some change?
Nah, I got you.
I need 3.
Okay. Okay, bet. Let me see. Bet. Nah, I ain't tripping. I gotta get the shirts and everything. Let me see. Yeah, they in the car. I'm finna go get them. Let me get these 2 races. Bet.
Hey, wild boy in there.
Wild boy.
Wild boy in
Oh
there.
yeah, he finna drive the shit out of it, y'all.
Yeah.
Y'all looking for somebody who dangerous.
Hey.
We gonna push you to the floor.
Hey, tell me about
We finna push you to the floor, y'all.